package from Influenster. Thank you so much to Influenster for sending me this. So this is the Olehenriksen Glow2OH Dark Spot Toner. And this is what the box looks like. This actually came in like a vacuum sealed plastic, but I took that off because it had my address and stuff on it. So I figured that we would do an unboxing of this right now. So let's see what this looks like. Whoa, okay. The new Glow2OH Dark Spot Toner, a tone for your skin sins, ready to tell dark spots, fine lines, wrinkles, uneven texture, fake friends, and bad dates to hit the road. Meet Glow2OH and say hashtag bye-bye to dark spots. So there's that. This is a cool box. And then usually when they send products, there's always like a little postcard inside. So here we go. Got some info there. Cool. And oh wow, cool. Got some yellow tissue paper here, and here is the actual toner itself. Okay, so I'm just gonna open this up really quick and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So I just opened up the box and this is what the bottle looks like. You get 190 mLs, which is about 6.5 fluid ounces. Right on, you guys. I'm so excited to try this. I'm gonna try this out tonight actually. I know that I just bought toner from Lush, but I'm gonna start using this because yeah, like it's a dark spot toner. It's supposed to help with fine lines and wrinkles and to help lighten dark spots on your face. Hold on, let me see the box here. So yeah, right here. So it targets dark spots, fine lines and wrinkles, skin texture with high-potency AHAs. Oh my gosh, this comes at like the perfect timing because I think in my other Vlogmas I was talking about how I had all these dark spots on my face and that I wanted to lighten them. Well, perfect time to test this out because yeah, I really want to lighten those dark spots on my face. So we will try this out tonight. Oh, amazing. Thank you so much, Influencer, for sending me this to try out for free. Sorry for looking like a hot mess. I just recently woke up, but anyway, I just wanted to add this really quick clip at the end of the video to say that I've only been using this product for the past few days because I only received it a few days ago. But so far, after first impression, I am really liking this product. I only use it at night because it only says to use it at night before you go to sleep, and when I wake up in the morning my face just feels so smooth, and I'm really excited to see this product help to fade my dark spots because I do have a lot of dark spots along my jawline and on my cheeks from previous pimples and acne and whatnot. But yeah, I'm gonna use this product a little more because it does take more time for skincare to really adjust to your skin and do its thing, but hopefully I can do like kind of like an update with how my skin is doing by using this product. So again, I just wanted to thank Influenster for sending me this for free to test out and try. I'm really a sucker for good skincare, and this is actually my first time using an Olehenriksen product. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing the name wrong, but yeah, I just wanted to thank Influencer one more time, and I just wanted to thank you guys also for tuning in and watching this short video of the unboxing, first impression kind of product review video. I don't know what to call this, but yeah, I'll be back to give you guys an update on this probably in like a month or two, whenever I feel is a good time to review it. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Take care and God bless. Bye.